I'm out here doing a DoorDash, and I pulled over because I just wanted to talk, just for a few minutes before I go out and finish my route. I wanted to talk to those people specifically who was taught or who thought that just because you're on your spiritual path now and you're doing all of the things that you feel that you're supposed to be doing, you are really tapping in and you're doing the things that all of your social media gurus and teachers have told you to do, and you feel that you are in alignment, and you were even told that once you get in alignment that the wealth was coming, your inheritance was coming, that alignment would just put you on easy street, or at least your life would not be as hard as it was. How many of you believed that and you fell for the okie doke? See, I'm gonna raise my hand because on that day that I was out driving, and it just came to me like, you know what? I am doing the same thing on this spiritual path that I was doing in church. I fell for the illusion then, and I'm falling for that same illusion now, because I thought that if I was in alignment, my life should be getting better, right? At least when I was in church, I had a job. At least when I was in church, I was in a relationship. At least, I'm going back and forth and, and even though I didn't like the job that much, and even though the relationship was not what I was supposed to be doing, but at least I had one. I literally were playing these thoughts in my mind on that day. And I started really doing some serious soul searching. And I just wanted to say to those of you who are watching, if you are on your path and you're doing the work, you're shining the light on those areas of those blockages and those areas of darkness that have been influencing you and maybe hindering you and causing you to think and act in a certain way, but it's not for your highest good, and you've dealt with that, and you're doing the healing and you're understanding all of that, and yet your life still seems like it is just you getting just enough to keep you from giving up, just enough. I want you to know that you are in the building stage, because see, nobody told me that once I got on this side that spirit was going to break me down and peel me open like a blooming onion, okay? And I'm just going to be laying there, and it was going to keep peeling back the layers, one petal by one petal, one after the other, and lay me out bare until it got to the center of me. Like when you slice open an onion, and right in the very center of that onion, you will see a green core. Represents the heart, don't it? And you'll be just bared right there. Spirit is going to expose everything. I think the trending word now is deconstruction. Well, Spirit is going to bust you down to the bricks, okay? It's going to peel back everything, expose everything, clean out everything. And those things that you need to integrate, you're going to be shown what to do, how to love yourself. You are going to be washed, and the fire is going to come. The purification is going to come. All of the things that you need to do your journey to stand, all of that is going to happen. You're going to be fortified, and it's a process, and it is painful as hell. Sometimes it's sad. Sometimes you get broken. Sometimes you lose your job. Because when I lost my job working for the government, okay? Working for the government, and I'm on my spiritual path, and I'm doing all of the things. And sometimes when you have a backing, when you have a financial back and you got a job coming in, or maybe you're married or you have a partner, and you're not as tense because you know that at least somebody got a way of bringing in some money. You don't feel quite as tense. But when that is not you and you're single out here, or you're a single parent, or whatever your case is, but everything falls on your shoulder, and then your job goes away, but you're spiritual and you know that you have a calling on your life. Oh, things get real then. And things got real for me, because I couldn't believe it. I'm like, what you mean? Y'all giving us a 10-day notice, the whole department went away. What are you talking about? What? And I was like, Spirit, what is happening? Did you see that? Hello. And so I'm out here, still healing, still doing my work, but you know what? I still got bills. Am I grateful for what I have? Beautiful home, nice car, food, shelter, health, all of that. I am so grateful for the things that I have, but you know what? The things that I have still require money to maintain it, to keep it. Because let me miss a mortgage payment. Guess what? Ma'am, we're here. We're gonna take your house back from you. Let me miss a condo. Hello? And so Spirit is building me and fortifying me. And sometimes I just want to I just want to scream sometimes. But see, I can't find only a handful of people, 3 to be exact, no, maybe 2, that actually have displayed and modeled that out here on social media, because people are watching you. I didn't even know people were watching me like that. People are watching you. They are watching how you move in life, how you profess out of your mouth to be spiritual and doing the work of the Most High. And yet, and still, you out here and you're like, you're in between. You're like right in between. Spirit still got you, but you're like right in between. But there's this illusion that is making people think that because you're on this spiritual path, your life is grand. You only eat the finest foods. You only wear the finest clothes. You travel to the distant lands, and you drive the foreign cars, and all of this. It is bullshit. It's bullshit. It really is. It's bullshit. It's bullshit. But I will tell you this one thing, that every time I learn a lesson, every time I assist someone, because Spirit will send me some clients, right? I have wonderful sessions, wonderful sessions. Spirit will send me some clients, and I start getting really excited. I'm like, oh, maybe I'm on the other side of through. All right, come on, Spirit, come on, let's go. And then crickets. And I'm like, I gotta pay my bills. See, I know I'm just talking to myself, because I know y'all can't relate to that. Because I know all y'all got it all together. Okay? But I am showing you, this is what it's like. And it's no joke. If this is real life spirituality right here. And I am one of the most powerful priestesses that I know. Okay? I am so serious. I am so serious about that. But I want y'all to be encouraged. I know this thing is hard. I know that it can get painfully difficult, but it is for your highest good. It's for your highest good. Your work is not in vain. And your gifts are going to make room for you. So just be encouraged. Stay the course. Hold the line. Because it is almost over, y'all. It's almost over, y'all. And we gonna dance, and baby, it's gonna be on and popping. But I love y'all. I love people. I love my people, and I'm always for the underdog, because I was the underdog for so long. So I just wanted to just pop in and say that. All right, y'all. I'll see you in the next one.